Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am your designing developer. Today I will show you how to build one Google Translate in Java, and I hope you'll be also enjoying this project, also like enjoying all the previous projects of Java and all the previous videos also of Java which I have uploaded yet, and I hope you'll be enjoying this video also. So today video is about I'll be showing you how to build one Google Translate, means not the Google Translate which we have just made previously on. We'll be building a Google Translate of like Google. When we just open our Google, so we are just getting the like languages down, like how in which languages Google offered. So I will be building that in Urdu language, and I'll be showing you how to build. You can build with your own language also if it's your choice, just you have to change the name, but all the codes will be just same as it is. So I'll be showing you how to build that, and it will be really fun to make because it is just really good video, and I hope you'll be learning more than enough things from that. But if you are just watching this video for the first time, so please hit a like to this video, and if you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button because I'll be uploading these videos daily, and my content is regular coming, and it will be really helpful for you. And also just please share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn about these languages, and they can also be a programmer in the future and land a job. And just I will be uploading videos regular on, but only the issue will be coming of time. I will be uploading in any time, so please don't see much. Like I will be uploading most of the time, like after 3 o'clock, like that I will be uploading, or you can say 2:30 or 3 o'clock. Between them I'll be uploading my videos. So here I'll be showing you how to build like Google Translate things which I am telling you how to build. So this video will be really fun for you, and I hope you enjoy. But please first of all check my advanced, check my intermediate and beginner courses, then move to advanced, because advanced is not too much easy if you understand, if you are a beginner code. Because I have just make a beginner full series of many 10 projects. You can check that all, then move to intermediate and then move to advanced, so you will be clearing all the doubts related to Java. If you directly move to advanced, so you will be having many of the troubles and confusion to learning and making the projects in Java. So my opinion is first of all check that all, and in future I will be also uploading the Java tutorial which should be really helpful for you, because in that tutorial I have telling all the things start to end which should be really helpful. So please like this video, and also just subscribe on my channel if you are new here, and check my previous courses of React and JavaScript also, and check my Python AI and data science courses, because if you want to become full stack Python developer, so that will be really helpful. And if you want to become full stack JavaScript developer or React.js developer, that will be also really helpful for you. And also check my previous HTML and CSS courses, and check my all the previous courses of, like you can say, any other languages I'll be uploading in future also, like of Swift, C++, that will be also really helpful for you. So just now we will be starting with our project. So like I'm telling you, we will be just building our own Google Translate. So here I'll be showing you how to build that. So simply I'll be opening my Google Chrome from here. You can see there it is. Here I'm telling you the offer languages which are just coming here. I will be building that. So I'll be showing you how to build here like these languages. If I show you by opening Google, you can see we are just okay. So if I translate it to English, now it is good. So you can see we are just getting Google offered in these languages. So I press Urdu, so here I'll be now building in Urdu. So you will be also build with any other language. If you are in any other country, so it will be appearing here the name of your country, and the languages which Google offered in that country will be appearing here. Okay, so I will be closing this. So we'll be building this here, which will be really helpful for you. So I hope you understand. Code will be not different. If you want to build in any other language, you can build, it's your choice. But just if you want to make another language, so just you have to change Urdu to like any other languages which you want to build. Just write the name of that, and then it's good, and then you can work on with that. So simply I'll be opening my VS Code to work with that. You can see we are getting like this icon of our Gmail, in which we are just getting Urdu all the things. You can see here we are just also getting Gmail written, and then Google at the center. Here we are just getting the search box and this my keyboard and this search icon coming here, and Google, like you can say Google button here also button. Then we are getting these underneath things. Simply I'll be opening my VS Code. Here I will be covered with that. So simply I am working with the same file in which I have worked previous project of manage account. So here I'll be just text should be just some of the different. So here I'll be writing class name dispatch. So right here Then I will be moving here and then I will be writing a tag which will be just like here view. So right here view dot run. So when you're done with that, here I will be not doing this thing because in div we will be writing some of the things. So here I will be making that and I will be writing terminal text equal to test. Here I will be closing this, then I will be writing terminal dot text dot test. Here I will be closing this tag, then I will be moving down. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like apply. So right here apply audio equals to, then write that to text. Here I will be now writing a tag which will be like apply dot audio dot text. Here I will be closing this and then move forward again, move down. Here I will be writing section, then right here policy equals to, then change that to edit. Close this tag. Here I will be writing section dot policy dot edit. Here close this again. Then I will be moving down here. Then I will be writing a tag which will be like data. Then right here data transfer equals to, change that to div. Here you have to close that and then write data dot transfer, then right here dot div. Close this tag now from here. Then I will be moving down again, change that to a tag which should be like now condition. So right here condition, then right here rule. So here I will be writing, then right here map. Here I will be closing this, then I will be writing a tag which will be like condition dot, here right here rule dot map, then close this tag. Here when you've done that, I will be moving down and then I will be writing a tag which will be like style sheet equals to list. I will be writing, then close this tag. Here I will be writing style dot sheet, then write that to list. Here I will be closing this now. When you're done with that, then move here again, move down. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like key frame equals to each. Then I will be closing this. Here again write a key dot frame dot each. Close this now. Then you have to move here and move down again. Here I will be writing counter, then write here query equals to selection. Close this and then write here same things which you have written at the starting. So here I will be writing counter dot query dot selection. Here I will be closing this tag. Then I will be moving down. Then I will be writing media keys equals to counter. Then you have to do one thing, close this tag. Here I will be writing media dot keys dot counter and close this. Here when you've done that, now I will be writing selection. So simply write selection animate equals to element. Then close this. Here I will be writing selection dot animate dot element. Close this tag now. Here you have to move down right here like effect. Then I will be writing animation equals to, change that to performance. Close this. Here I will be writing effect dot animation dot performance. Then you have to close this. Now I will be moving down. Here I will be writing name space equals to, here I will be changing that to sound. And then close this. Here I will be writing name dot space dot sound. Then close this tag from here also. Move down here, make this tag. Then I will be writing that to a tag which will be like data. So here we have written that. So simply I will be changing that to array. Then when you've done with that, here I will be writing view equals to help. So here I will be closing. Then I will be repeating same thing here. So write view help and here you have to close this. And when you've done with that all things, here I will be moving forward. Then simply I will be saving this file. And now when you've done with that, I will be moving down here and I will be writing that to like destination. Then I will be writing media equals to, and here I will be changing that to a tag which will be just like here run. And when you've done that, I will be closing that and write here destination dot, so here spelling is incorrect. Now I will be writing media dot run and close this tag here. Now when you've done with that, move down here and here I will be writing audio listener equals to, then I will be changing that to a tag which will be like here file. Close this here. Okay, so we have closed that. Now just I'll be erasing this here because these are two closing tags. Now I will be making this curly bracket in which I will be writing audio audio dot listener dot file and close this. Here I will be saving this file now, and you can see we have just save our file directly here. If I just show you the Google Groups, our project should be just ready. So simply I'll be opening Google Chrome from here. You can see there it is, our Google Pod is ready, like our Google Translate which we want to build in Java is ready. You can see we have translated in Urdu language. You have to change it to English. Just you have to do one thing. If you want to change in other language, just change this query tag to your language name, so it will be changing in your, because this query I have taken from Google, it is a tag of Urdu, so I have just only put that. I have not written Urdu name. If I put, so nothing happens here. If I show you by putting Urdu where, and you can see it is just and like that you can build your own this Google Translate. So I hope you understand how to build, and I hope you enjoy this video. So if you enjoy, so please hit a like to this video and also subscribe on my channel. Also share this video with your friends and family members, so they can also learn how to do code and how to learn programming, so they can also land a job in future. So just I'll be meeting in next project. So for today, good bye.